Hey guys, welcome to TrueVine.
Glad y'all could join us.
Absolutely. So we are on the last video series of the how to build a sawmill barn.
At least how to get the roof on it. Now,
That's right.
you're going to get the foundation poured, the concrete poured.
Sometime this week we'll get the concrete poured before we move the sawmill in.
The electric.
The electricity, the water for the sawmill. And then we'll have to start putting some sides on it to cut out the blowing rain and the sun and protect the mill. So guys, we just wanted to thank y'all for following along. If you're coming in on this video and you have not seen us before, I'm Huel.
I'm Ann Margaret.
We're from Mansfield, Louisiana, and we're farmers, and we're sawyers, and kind of sort of beekeepers, and we grow plants in a nursery, and Jeep, and ride all around the country when we can. Straight back. So here we are at the barn, about to get you a bird's eye view without the drone. And Margaret is raising me up in the SkyTrack. I think she's videoing me while I'm videoing her. I hope she didn't mash the wrong lever. So, as you see, roof is done. There you go. So I'm up here, about 30 foot. But anyway, we got the roof done finally. So very glad. That's my favorite time when we get the roof on. I can go down and see how it looks from down below. So thank y'all for joining along in the series on building a sawmill barn, and keep your eyes open. We'll have more videos on sawmilling and the sawmill barn and riding Jeeps and raising chickens and raising goats and probably a lot of other sawmill stuff and farming stuff too. So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great evening and a good weekend. If you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Please click like and share for us. We'd sure appreciate it. Adios from TrueVine. Ready?
Sure. Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Sucking a nap.
La la la. It was a dog ass nap.
Mm-hmm.
Howdy.
Hi. How are y'all?
We're good. Oh, you meant them.
Oh,
Oh,
you're good.
hi there.
How are y'all tonight?
Good evening. Okay, let's start again.
I slept all day. It's like I'm slow still.
Slacker.
Slow still.
Slacker.
I took a nap today. I don't usually take naps.
You
I
don't.
took a nap today.
You don't.
Take a nap.
I'm gonna go to 3, then we'll start.
Okay.
Howdy.
Hi there.
Welcome to TrueVine.
It's a beautiful night today.
It is a beautiful night today. It
It's a
is.
beautiful night or evening, whatever.
Yeah. Good morning. It's a beautiful evening.
Let's start that over. Click.
Click. We're in
Okay.
Anchorage, Alaska. Yeah. Anchorage, Alaska. Oh, no, wait. We're in Mansfield, Louisiana.
Yes,
Yes, we are.
we are, as the humidity will well attest. That
Oh.
It is extremely humid today. We're
It is.
86% or something like that.
I think it's 104% humidity.
It feels it's sweaty.
Sweaty?
It's sweaty out. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.